When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm Puerto Rocks. I played the motherfucking clock. We ain't swiping my phone, it's pawn. I drop the top when I'm on the block, see different hoes.
Oh, you gonna get us on camera?
Get you on camera,
This is
dog.
crazy. This is embarrassing. All right, here we go. Okay, I either put it like that. I can't remember how it goes. Let's try it like that first, okay? No, that's too far. It's gotta be right in the middle. Yeah. Try it. Ready? Send it. Squirt some of that shampoo or whatever it is. Where is it? Gotta guide me on. Coming straight, turn to the right. Yeah. A little bit more. Good. Straight. Good. Keep going this way. To the right. To the right. Wow, it's already working. Oh, I see where we're at. Okay. Going down. You good. All right. It's down, it's down, it's down. Here come the rain, man. Thank God we live in Florida. Yeah, right. Yeah, that was too easy. Too easy, man. They flip it over. Entire. Same deal. Put the metal up there. Gotta be in the middle. Perfect.
Back up a little bit.
Might work. Just put that goop on it. Squirt it right there. Just put it all the way around. Okay. Hey, you gotta guide me up again.
All right.
You gotta do a better job this time. It's pretty lined up. You just gotta kind of stand there and point.
Okay.
Straight. To the right. Straight. Keep coming. Going down. Jumped off already?
Well, it came down. Still got a little bit to go around.
Oh yeah. That's why I brought that big rubber thing. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. See, this thing flipped off. We gotta watch out. We'll poke a hole in the side. So when you back it back off, okay?
Oh,
See how it slipped off?
Yeah.
You gotta come up with something better than that. okay?
Yeah. Nothing happened.
Yeah, it looks like it survived.
That should be good right there.
We got to turn it around and
Okay, get a better angle.
the other side. Let's turn the whole around. Good.
Need more glue where it's good.
Okay. I got a better tool. Won't do that again.
Pull out the big boy.
We just gotta come. Yeah, bring that on in. See.
So even if
Perfect.
it does go down,
Well, you go ahead. Pull that way another ½ inch, and then I'll have you pull the truck up.
go ahead and pull. All right. Looks like we done did the job, y'all boys. Yeah, I want to save you some time, some money. Do it yourself, man. Get these rims off these tires, do it yourself, dog. There you go.
Okay.
Why you always gotta lube it up?
It catches right here with great friction. Right here. You got to push this down with your foot. See how it's got to jump in that notch?
Yeah.
And then, not that far. You're just too strong today, aren't you?
Too strong.
Okay. See what the right tool does?
Right up. I should push it.
Now, see, we're getting a little resistance. That means, see if it's all the way in the groove. Looks like it. Okay. But it ain't all the way here. There. Now you're almost done when you get it that far. Okay. Now we're done. Crazy easy.
I remember the first time we did this, boy. We was out in the sun, in the heat. It ain't take that
Still
long.
in the
but
heat.
still.
We're just not in the sun.
Yeah. Last time it was like.
No, this just is an easier one. Some of them fit tighter.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now this is not so easy. You got to take it like this. See? And you got to. Now you got to do it from behind. See what I'm saying here?
Yeah.
It's all lubed up. See? Now we just kind of do the opposite. And we just start getting it started like that. And then, yeah, you hang on to that. Okay, ease up. I gotta get a start over here. Ease up some more. Okay, now let's try both of them. Yeah, you gotta get it up over the metal. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now, yeah, just hang on to that. So we got 3. Golly, I forgot how to do it. At the store, just wax it. There we go. Oops. Some grip. Here, set it down. Keep your hand on it. Let's see if there's an easier way over here. Not really. See, the soap works against you. I think he does it without any soap. Positive he does no soap because it'll just stay. Now it's popping back, see? Now, gotta figure out how to get this thing up. Over. Okay.
I think if we probably just kind of slide them over, maybe.
Yeah, kind of. I'll see if it goes. Just hang on to that one. Kind of worked. Okay, let me see, hang on to that. Let me see if this soap might help. Hang on to that. It's going, but I don't see how to get a next tool in under it. Give me that wrench.
Tucker, look what I got you yesterday.
What?
A new tarp, a blue tarp.
Oh wow, how'd you get that?
I'm gonna lay it on the LTD and maybe you and Eric can cover it.
All right, thank you.
You won't forget it. See,
Let's push down on this one a little bit. Let's push down a little bit. Just trying to get the wrench in there. He sounds so old from smoking. It kills me. No, it's not hurting me. Okay, you can take it out. I did better somehow. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong. I think you had different tools. Let me see what I do with this.
I did a test run with that rainbow.
Yeah?
System.
It worked great, didn't it?
Yeah, it got more mud out of my carpets. I mean, it turned into mud with so much crap.
Hang
I'm
on.
gonna do it again and then one more time again. Just sell it. I can't give it away.
See it.
Vacuum cleaner shops don't work.
Yeah, but we do. Hand me that
He
little
said
thing.
retail, you could probably get 500 from it from somebody that wants one.
Well, that's why you got the internet.
Exactly. But Craigslist, Eric, I'm gonna have to employ you. I'm blocked or something.
Now you got to run it through that Mr. Control Freak. He had a spaz last time.
Oh yeah, he wants me to sell it. I've called every vacuum cleaner all the way to Winter Garden. I gave up.
Yeah, but that's goofy. That's like you got to retail it yourself.
I know, but sometimes I've sold rainbows to vacuum cleaner shops in the past in Maitland. The old one that used to be there. I ain't not there anymore.
Can we just try to kick it from the back, maybe?
I think you got enough.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, I already know what I need to do. I got to get another bite.
Yeah. We did really good the other day. It just took
Is it
3
coming up over
screwdrivers.
there in the back?
3 screwdrivers
Not
and
yet.
one, right?
Not yet.
Here, in the back.
Anyway, shade.
Now is it coming up?
Yeah, it's coming through.
Okay, hand me that pipe thing there.
You're gonna have to turn it.
Over there. It's just about power, really. See? It's power. Find out.
I ain't losing power.
Done. Falling out. Didn't even tear up the tire.
That's it, folks.
Yeah, right. I don't put them in the dirt. Now I gotta wash them.
Ah, shoot.
It's all right. Let me go wash them off. Take out one side. You got the thing that takes the other thing out?
We got everything over here. Jeez. What's going on, YouTube? Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. So here today, basically getting the car up on jack stands. So I just started putting it up. So yeah, about to jack it up today. And lately I've been feeling something weird in the suspension, so I just want to, do some car maintenance, tighten everything up, make sure everything is Gator, so taking you guys along. Actually, I'm not even gonna record while I'm jacking it up because I gotta go back and forth and all that, but I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up and then I'll be back. Got it all jacked up. So hard jacking up a low car. Gotta drive it up on sticks. Then go ahead and find a spot to jack it up at. Can't wait to put these lower springs in the front. See what I got up in there. Change out these springs. I'm all ready to go with the shocks. Let's do it, man.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm Puerto Rocks. I played the motherfucking claw, we ain't sweating, pawn. I drop the top when I'm